What's good? How you guys feeling? How you feeling? Good? Bullish as hell. Why? Bitcoin's up. I love that shit. You know how long I waited for this to happen? 6 months. May, June, July, August, September, October. 6 months. Ha. Effing ha. I got out of my system, guys. What's up? Where the bears at, though, man? Where my bears at? Where they at? I can't find them nowhere. They were all over the place. Where are they at now? I love it when the 4-year cycle's playing out. Will I look like an idiot in a week if Bitcoin goes down? Yes. I'm talking a little shit now. Let's go. 5 people. What's good? I started yelling. Shit. I was too high energy. I probably scared people off. Whatever. Can't handle the heat. Get out of the kitchen. 5 people. What's good? We here. Lil Wayne. Lighter flick. In this bish. Hey, I like the style. Being so bullish. Come on, man. You can't put your icons a B, man. I get it. B, B is, but you're a B, man. You can't be a gangster B. I don't know too many gangster Bs. When SHIB outperforming EOS, shaking my head. It's outperforming a lot of stuff, though. It's just kind of like, what? It's a meme coin. You live, and guys, in basketball, I used to play basketball. Okay. In basketball, there's a saying, live by the 3, die by the 3. Live by the meme, die by the meme. It's great when it's going up. It's shitty when it goes down, So, hey, that's the give and take. Be humble was good. What up, Pac? Interesting times. Very interesting. How come? I don't know. I don't know. What's up with that? When people are confused, they rub their chin. I do it, but I don't really get it. I ain't never rubbed my chin and got better ideas. Right? Airplane food. What's up with that stuff? Sporks. It's a fork. It's a spork. What am I doing? Freestyle? I can't even talk right now. I'm so happy Bitcoin went up. I can't even freaking talk. Let's talk about it. Guys, remember May? Things are topping out. Bitcoin 65,000. We thought we were going to go to the moon right away. Well, it fell out. Got me all depressed. Stay down. Made people think about, is crypto dead? Is it a bear market? All these uncertainties. Uncertainty. That's why I made the 4-year cycle video, guys. That's why I put it out 2 months ago. 2 months ago, okay? Everyone's saying Bitcoin going down to $-. No. Why? Because this shit's cyclical. Hopefully you guys are starting to see that now. Well, right, damn near up at cyclical all-time highs. You think it's going to keep going up or down? If I would be so humble to say, I think Bitcoin's shown its hand. I think it wants to go up. Take my freaking bags to the sky. I ain't going to complain about it. 11 people, what's up? What you guys drinking? Let me know. What are you guys drinking? I know some of you guys are pissing your pants. Scared as shit. I know we lost people too. Rip. Hey, you know what, man? Hey, not everyone's meant to be rich. Not everybody. You got to climb the mountain. No softies on the top. You know what I'm saying? 10 people, what's good? Whatever happened to Redcoin? It's still around, actually. Was supposed to be used for webcam girls 2016 vibes. That was before OnlyFans, right? Damn. Shit. That was visionary. It was too early. But that was pretty visionary ass use case when you think about it, just looking back at it. But Redcoin's still around. I've seen some kids be like, "Oh, Redcoin, this is." It's like, bro, Redcoin's been around. Hey, if you guys are in my Telegram, I dropped a video from another channel in there. You guys aren't in my Telegram, what are you doing? Go get in my Telegram. It's free for now. Whoa. It might not be after this cycle. Oh, hint, hint. Get in there. But I dropped a video of a channel I've watched for a year plus. His name is Crypto Parker. Crypto Parker. Dope ass dude. That dude's an OG for sure. You can just tell by the way he talks. Check out Crypto Parker. Real ass dude. Ha ha ha. Can that be first chart dub? Oh, which one? The Redcoin? Redcoin? I don't know if Redcoin's going up anymore, man. It might, but it's been a long time since Redcoin's been on the scene. Yo, BSO, okay, they're talking to each other. Be humble. You picked up Redcoin? How's it going? Is it in the red? No? Let's see. Solar Bridge is supposed to support it as well. Oh, Redcoin. I was expecting this, just saying. Hey, no one has more conviction than Flatsmack, man. Flatsmack's riding a freaking bike right now. Save money to buy some more cryptos. Yeah, this fool was expecting it. I can't. Hey. The man, the legend. The man, the freaking legend, man. 11 people, what's up? So, Wolfpack? You can tell that crypto's up, huh? I'm acting crazy and shit. That's the way the world works, y'all. Okay, we're talking a lot about Redcoin right now. What's going on? I'm saying what's up to everyone. This is Crypto Kickback. I do this on Wednesdays, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I also do a second live stream on Sundays, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're talking a lot about Redcoin. Let me get in here. I'd like to rub some, rub some babies, kiss some elbows, some hands, whatever the hell they say, whatever that saying is. Say what's up to the pack, loosey-goosey. We look at some macro charts. We look at some non-macro charts. And today we're going to be looking at some news. Dubdigital, why are we looking at some news? Because I'm called Crypto News Macro Trends, right? Get it? Got it? Good. Okay? We got to look at some news once in a while because then I have to take the crypto news off my thing and it looks lame if it just says macro trends. No, but for real, guys, just in case you guys are thinking that this thing's not going to blow, we're going to look at some of the news because it suggests, well, it's going to blow. 12 people, what's up? Yes, I like it. That's me saying yo. Damn. Okay, hold up. Hi. You used to couldn't advertise crypto, LOL. Now they show me rug pull, lion NFTs on Facebook. Crazy times. Oh yeah, that something lion shit. I seen that too, man. Hey, those lions are going for like $16,000. Okay, so what the frick do we know, man? Money talks. You call all-time high Bitcoin this month? No, I don't. I call what I've called in my 4-year video I made 2 months ago. With Dubdigital, you just like keeping the same. This is boring. You just keeping the same call. Yeah, that's the point, right? Unless you guys like those channels that move all over the place every other Friday and make you determine where it's gonna go. Which way Bitcoin go up, down, up, sideways, down, up. Hey, I try to provide some value. Sometimes it means sticking your neck out. It's the least I can do, right? Yo, wolves, moon. Rocket ship moon, blast off fire. Oh, like it. EOS pushing the B as our logo and marketing. EOS Bs? Are you serious? Is that a real EOS thing? I see the EOS thing in there. Oh, shit. You guys getting off subliminal? You trying to trick people now? EOS gang, that's crazy. The Trinity Star. Hey, Big Right. What's up, man? How you doing? Birds of a feather, baby. Birds of a feather. Drinking tea? Hey, that's nice. That's nice. Really good article on Icon 2. Guys, we're about to get into it. Let's people settle in, give people some time to filter in here. We're going to get going. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. What should be ratio BTC to ETH to all coins? Okay, so I don't give financial advice. I just speak on, these are personal opinions, not to be used, blah, 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 whatever. You know what I'm saying? Not financial advice. Do your own research. Now I got all that shit out of the way. Okay, so I talk about, I just don't chop it up from Bitcoin, ETH, and altcoins. I still consider, and I'm going to get a lot of hate from the cult of ETH, I still consider ETH an altcoin. There's a lot of, it hasn't won the use case yet, in my opinion. It's got to deal with its main, I guess, sticking point, which is the gas fee. I mean, I'm not going to let it go. Like, it didn't get fixed. What the fuck? You know what I'm saying? So, like, ETH, to me, it's still somewhat up in the air. So, altcoin, the only one that's secured its use case, in my opinion, is Bitcoin store of value. It has cycle to cycle held its value better than most cryptocurrencies. That's a freaking fact. Look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. Okay, so I split it between Bitcoin and altcoins. Bitcoin and everything else. Right now, I'm like 25, 26% Bitcoin because Bitcoin's been rising up. But that put me at like 74, 75% altcoins. Preferably at this point, I'd like to be 20, 80, but you know, I'm not going to split hairs about it. You position your Bitcoin altcoin ratio. I have a video on it. I should drop it here. It's really old. Audio and the quality is really shitty, but that's where I was at that point on my channel. But basically, your Bitcoin altcoin ratio should really depend on what you believe is going to happen. It's not a one size fits all. We all have different ideas and thoughts, right? So like the beautiful thing about Bitcoin altcoin ratio and the way I do my channel is it's portfolio based, much like a money manager would, not necessarily a trader. Okay, a money manager looks at his shit and is like, okay, am I too heavily exposed to this? What do I think is going to play out? Am I situated to take advantage of that? What if I'm wrong? Am I hedged in the opposite direction so I'm not completely killed? Like, that's how I like to deal with this, because it's much more forgiving. It's a more enjoyable ride, but also it takes into account that you are wrong too. So like, I think altcoins are going to explode much more than Bitcoin does towards the end of this year, because I think that it makes sense for me to be much more heavily weighted in altcoins. Well, then why do you have Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin, it goes down less than drops. A lot of people only just think of what their bags how much it can appreciate. They never think about how much it can depreciate. That's what Bitcoin's there for, act as that hedge. And it's really like an easy thing to do. Yeah, you hold the Bitcoin when everything's pumping, you're like not making as much money, but when everything drops, you hold more of that value. That 20% becomes 30%. Sometimes a really big drop, 40% of your portfolio. Then you could take that and drop it into the undervalued altcoins. Then when they start going off again, you could just run up. See, you don't have to do that. I got some people on my channel that are 100% altcoins. That's their deal. You know, I got people who are a little bit altcoins. That's their deal. I just see one thing playing out. The macro charts tell me that it will occur again. Therefore, it's smart of me to position myself in that way. Hopefully that was pretty comprehensive. It's the best I can do right now. I'm a little tired. Hold on. Too much talking, goddamn. 12 people, what's up? Be humble. $5, man. Thank you for always supporting the channel. It means a lot. Helps me cover some of these expenses. Thank you very much. One time for the DGB community. DGB click. I know it's been a hard time, man. I know it's been a hard time. Going through all these uncertainties, your coin's not popping off. Well, everyone's coins are popping off. Your coin's not popping off. That sucks. Oh shit, I'm not sharing my screen. Hold on. Share. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay, Digibyte coin market cap. We're gonna look at it. It's 5 cents. Guys, I think what's gonna happen, like I said in my last TGB video I did a while ago, but I pretty much forecasted for the rest of the year what I think is gonna happen with Digibyte. Digibyte last cycle, it was freaking around for the longest time, to be honest. Look, all the way through August, September, October, November, and right around December, it started going parabolic. Look, this right here looks a whole lot like that right there. This first little bump that occurred, it happened right here. Whoa, is that a fractal? Well, it is. It is a fractal. It looks the same. Dubdigital. It can't be that stupid and simple. Well, what if it is? Because know what charts are, guys. Charts are the thoughts of an asset and sentiment of an asset of the investors investing in that asset, right? So if this kind of pattern happened again, it's essentially telling you that the thoughts of the people last cycle, they're pretty much occurring the same exact way they did this cycle. Like it looks the same. It means the same thinking's occurring. Hey, if that happens, this happens here, and I see this nice like drop off rounding right around the end of the cycle, best believe I might throw some money in that Digibyte and try to ride a 10x up in December. See, this is the thing. This is why I like to be spread out across multiple coins. I ain't gotta hope and pray and wish. Even if Digibyte does this whole lagging thing, it's not that big of a deal to me because it's just giving more time to harvest profits to drop in that last Christmas present, DGB. You know what I'm saying? That's why I don't like to just get all in one coin, guys. Because at the end of the day, it's like, hey, these things, they pump at different times. What if this is a late pumper? Do I want to just watch everyone's coins going off and mine just not? No, that's why I don't have just one coin. I'm greedy, man. I like to be in part of all the fun, right? But thank you. Hopefully that was good. It's looking like Digibyte. It might be treading some water for some time. It's bad if you just have Digibyte. If you have other bags, guess what? Gives you some time to load up if you so choose to. Yo, what's your assessment for peak Chainlink price this cycle? Like I said, man, it's kind of hard. I'm just jumping into altcoins right now. This is how you know Bitcoin and altcoins are back, because people want to know price points. When things are bad, they want to see the macro. When things are good, tell me how much that coin is, bruh. The bad thing with this is this, okay? Look, I don't really have a lot of price history to work off of, and just so you guys know, like that's pretty much how I do everything in terms of price. I just look at previous price points and extrapolate. I'm really good at extrapolating. Not so good at picking coins in a new cycle, how high they will go. To be quite honest, I don't know how many people could with a straight face tell you that they know exactly how high a new coin is going to go when there's no price history. It makes it very hard, right? So to say that, I mean, like what? It hit $50, right? How high will Chainlink go at that most exponential point of the market? It's hard to really say. I'm just trying to be transparent with that. But I couldn't see why Chainlink couldn't get into triple digits. But my plan has always been, and watch my 4-year cycle video, please. That's why I made it 2 months ago. My plan is to sell like the bulk of my crypto in December. Well, what's the price point? It doesn't matter. I mark the time when the most money is typically market cap wise in crypto. Thought process is, if the most money is in crypto at a certain point of time, the probability of the coins I hold being at the highest prices they've ever been is greater at that point as well. It'd be easier if you asked me on a coin from last cycle. I could check it out. I got a methodology to do that. But with these, I'm kind of straight up. It's hard for me to pick. That's why I kind of do a time selling. You know what I'm saying? I could just make a freaking number and tell y'all. But gotta be real. What's good, y'all? Nothing much. Let's go. You guys feeling bullish? I broke out the sparkling water today, man. Feeling fancy and shit. Pretending like it's champagne. Damn. Bitcoin go up? 16 people, what's good? Bitcoin's about to go up. That's what's going to happen. I'm talking shit. Yeah, I'm talking shit. Woo, all those bears out there. Where they at? Where they at, though? They're all quiet. They're quiet. They only come out when it's bearish. But China banned Bitcoin, dub. Okay. How many times I heard that shit? People be telling me that like it's the first time I ever heard it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you serious? What exchange are you going to use to cash out? I'm going to use Coinbase, Gemini, and then freaking Dexes. Get the stable coins and then I'll just cash out. If it's for like coins that like aren't supported by Coinbase and Gemini, I'll use a Dex. I'll switch into USDC, take the USDC, cash out into bank account through Coinbase and Gemini. But look, hey guys, for real, 15 people, you get that good. You get the good because you guys are real ones. You're on the stream. Make sure to secure your shit. Secure your crypto, please. If you haven't done it yet, you need to do it now. I have a video on a hard wallets or whatever, the hardware wallets. Let me find that really quick because guys, look, I've been hearing horror stories. People have been getting hacked to death, yo. Like, it's not even funny. Like, I know one person that lost 6 figures and not the low 6 figures. He got hacked. His freaking Coinbase got compromised. He got hit with like a phishing attack or whatever. Some guy was acting like a Coinbase, what do you call it, employee, called him up, got all this shit. They took everything. Like, I don't want that shit to happen to anyone. It's not cool. It's not good. I don't like it. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to find this hardware wallet video for you guys because you need to see it if you don't know how to secure your crypto. Damn, this is a long time ago. Holy shit. No, it's not that long ago. 1 second. Okay, here. I usually want to take this long to find a video to drop in the chat. But you guys need to secure your stuff with a hardware wallet. It ain't your keys, not your coins. Learn how to use a hardware wallet. You can use a hardware wallet from Exodus 2 with the Trezor. I use a Ledger Nano X. You can use a Ledger Nano S. You can use a Trezor. Whatever. And if you don't want to do that, then buy a YubiKey and then lock down your Coinbase account or your Gemini account. I think they both accept YubiKeys. YubiKey is like a hard token, right? It's a 2-factor authentication, but it's not like ran on software. The problem is with the Google Authenticator, they could do something called a SIM swap where they call your not your cable provider, your phone provider and act like you. And if they've broken into your emails and gotten sensitive information, they could actually come up with a bunch of information to convince your phone provider that it's you. They say, hey, I changed phones. Can you swap my shit to this new phone? They get everything swapped, and so goes your Google authentication too. So then they could just log right in. The YubiKey is this hard thing that plugs into your USB port that they can't do that if they don't have it. You have to stick it in and press it, and then it allows you to get in. So I have that securing my Coinbase as well, and I have to use it to get logged on and to actually execute transactions or withdraw funds. It's important, guys. Like, no shit. No joke. 15 people, what's up? This is the point where people, they got away with not securing their shit because it wasn't that much, but then it becomes a lot. And then, the hackers are out here. These people are out here. They're going to take your shit. You went through all this trouble. Don't let that be you. But BitBoys say October top, Black Swan event, sell now. Yeah, they always say that shit, man. Stick around for a few more years. You'll be talking like me, all jaded and shit. What's going on with what's going to happen tomorrow with Zoo? I know. A little birdie told me that there was going to be a big announcement tomorrow with Zookeeper. Zookeeper's been doing it too, guys. Just so you know. You guys don't know what Zookeeper is. It's a NFT project on the WanChain ecosystem. WanChain's an interoperable platform. I have some new people. Got to explain that. I've been talking about WanChain for the longest damn time. But look at this volume coming into Zoo. Look at that. Pretty much peaking all-time high volume. This thing's lifting up. It's not rocket science, guys. It's making a bowl. This is a very, very drawn out W, but hell, like this is the thing that people forget about Zoo. We zoom up, look at that. What's happening here? Thing with Zoo is it's now, damn. They added 3 million over like the last 2 weeks. They were 6 million. It's almost at 10 million, which is 10 million, guys, is the market cap like threshold for small, like really small project. It's not even there yet. What is happening with Zoo? Any guys know? Brother, I keep missing your GTC thoughts. I've talked about it before on live stream, man. Gitcoin. This is on Coinbase, right? Too much volume. I mean, it's new, right? New-ish. Came out in May in the downturn. So okay, so that could be a reason why it hasn't taken off yet. It's obviously making W-ish shaped patterns. 100 million supply, market cap 112 mil. You know, Coinbase, right? Yeah, Coinbase, USD pair. Binance and Kucoin, those legit. Gitcoin describes itself as a community of builders, creators, and protocols that have come together in order to develop the future of open internet. Gitcoin creates a community that supports new infrastructure of Web3, including tools, technologies, and networks to foster development in the open source sphere. Hey, I mean, look, anything Web3, especially right now, what happened with Facebook, probably going to be good. Why do I say that? Because now it's all up in everyone's freaking face that all these apps that they thought were safe and not looking at them, they're starting to figure out that, well, they are. And some of the things they're doing aren't necessarily in the best interest of the users of the platform. You're telling me my apps are spying on me? You're telling me apps are pushing like bad shit in my face and hurting my mental health? Yeah, that's what they're telling you. So now we're at a come to Jesus moment, you know, or come to Buddha moment, or whatever you feel, you know, where people are going to look and be like, hey, can we make this shit a little more private? Can we make this a little more safe? Can we not be doing this creepy shit? It's going to make them think of the choices they make, the platforms they use, the apps they download. It's starting to make doubt in, I guess, starting to make doubt in their minds as to how what they've been doing. Is it the right thing for them to do moving forward? Gitcoin, that's cool. Web3. I dug into a lot more in the live stream previously. Damn. Okay, you got some alpha for us? Nice. Gitcoin, only 14 million supply, 100 million cap. LOL. 14 million supply? Really? It said 100 million right here, total market cap. I mean, total supply, my bad. It's only 14 million? Okay, so coin market cap's wrong. Stupid Shib got 10 billion. If GTC got 10 billion, it's $900, currently 8. Oh yeah, it's currently 7.97, down 444%. Whoa. Numerology? Yeah, man, that's interesting. Circulating supply is 14 mil. Total supply is 100 mil. Well, damn, that means that only 14% of the circuit. Okay, so it's like not that much on the market. I hear what you're saying. Hold up, guys. I lost my freaking spot. God damn it. Right here. You guys doing good though? Yeah? Feeling better? Were you scared you're going to be asleep on the couch drinking vodka? Psh, I know how that is, man. The missus ain't no joke, man. What are my thoughts on Baby Doge? I missed the boat on Doge. I don't got no thoughts on Baby Doge. I wish him the best, man. I ain't gonna wish hate on him. What up, my lubba dubba doo? Lubba dubba doo. Flintstones. It's not, you know, I'm not from that time. I just watched the cartoon. I'm not that old. I found an altcoin doing some weird things, acting like somewhere between an altcoin and a stable coin. MOF, Molecular Future. You know what? You're not the only one to tell me about this coin today. That's funny. You gotta look at it then, because God's throwing that shit in my face. Molecular Future, 1.81 cents. I mean, 1 point, whatever. You guys know what I'm saying. I ain't talking right. God damn. Yeah, I seen this. That's a big old rise for sure. That's an increase in volume, but that's like, damn, that's a lot of rising for this much volume. How much? Market cap is 157 million. Okay, so it's not a large market cap. You guys notice this. I want to tell you like a dynamic right now, looking at altcoin projects. The lower the market cap means the easier it is to move. So you'll see large influxes of price with not like humongous volume. When you're trying to move a Bitcoin and Ethereum, you got to see big old spikes in volume. But like with these, 100 million, couple 100 million coins, these things will blow up off of nothing, you know? So that's interesting. What else? What is it? I'll go to the website. I told a homie I'd look at it today. Blockchain-based, one-stop global digital asset investment service platform. Okay. What the hell is this? I like the word institution. Hcash. Partners. Oh, shit. I can't even read this. God damn it. Okay, can we get to the year? Shit. This is not going good. Okay, exit BTC, Bikey, King, Bittrex. Okay. What the fudge? Where's the thing about the thing? I'm going to the Twitter. Molecular Future. I follow them now. Who else follows them? CoinMarketCap. Okay. Shit, what is this? Molecular Future is committed to creating a global one-stop digital asset investment service platform. Okay, so is it going to be an exchange? What is this thing? How come I got to go so many places to figure out what this is? I don't know. Sorry. Someone help me out, man. How come? Look, go to the projects that you guys support and tell them they should have an easy about. Okay. I think I found it. Molecular Futures is one-stop digital asset investment service platform jointly invested in Molecular Group, China Fortune, whatever, Eagle Fund, HBCC Investment Foundation, Hcash Foundation, and wait, Hcash. That sounds familiar. And Collins Star Capital. The strong ecological support behind the Molecular Future includes internationally recognized licensed financial practitioners. Damn, this shit's hard to read. And the earliest digital money investors, well-known international venture capital institutions, and hundreds of seed whales, angel whales, and a wheel startup companies in various industries. Top financial investment advisors and well-known investors in blockchain industries and more. They are backed by the resources, support of companies listed on Hong Kong, the United States, Australia, motherboards. Okay, that was a lot of words, man. So they invest in crypto. Molecular Futures trying to be like some kind of investment platform. All right, I had mic problems. Mic problem. Am I back? Wire gets all twitchy, man. Okay, so that was really hard to understand. Hard to understand. I hate that shit. I don't know if it's good or bad, to be honest. I don't know if it's good or bad. But what I do know is this. They got to clean that shit up. You shouldn't have need to have a PhD to understand what the hell a project is. My bad. Got to refill. Tasty. Okay. I've been screwing around today. I'm doing a lot of stuff out of sequence today. Let me go ahead and jump right into the Bitcoins. I think it's about time we did it, guys. I gave you a little altcoin taste. That's good. That's good. That's all gravy, but you know, it's not the meat and potatoes. Bitcoin liquid index. From cycle to cycle, show you how Bitcoin goes. I love it. You know I love it? Because it's maintained above trend line. We haven't broken through. That means it's maintaining the trend line. The trend line is up and to the right with periodic overvaluations. I think we're about to come into an overvaluation. Following that should be an undervaluation. Watch my 4-year cycle video. Make sure to watch it. I'm going to drop that one again too because it's important. Telling you guys. 4-year cycle, where you at? Dubdigital, why you keep pushing old videos in our face? Because I made them for a reason, guys. For right now. Like right now. You know? So please, use the resources made for you. I hate for you to mismanage this amazing opportunity. Sometimes hard lessons are learned hard. Okay, I dropped the 4-year cycle video in the chat. Make sure to check it out. Okay, so basically, guys, what this is telling us, let's zoom up here because we know what's been going cycle to cycle. I talk about it 2 times a week for the last forever. Okay, we never came back and touched here, 20,000. There's still people saying that we're going to drop here. Here's the moral of the story, guys. There's always going to be doubters and naysayers. That's just a fact of life. You know, if you're going to listen to doubters and naysayers for everything you do, guess what? You'll do nothing. Certain point of time, you got to step off the ledge and say, I think you're wrong, sucker. And they'll tell you the whole time, you're wrong, don't do it. Hey, I'm a grown man. I can live with the consequences or I can benefit. You know what? It's not going to be anywhere in the middle. This is a life of extremes. So what do you believe? Who are you going to listen to? Are you going to listen to yourself or are you going to listen to all these people who are telling you you're stupid and you're wrong? At the end of the day, we all know what we got to do. It's just really a matter of conviction. What do you think? Let's go to weekly. The weekly puts it nice and more granular. We can see what's been going on here. They brought us down here to the point of no return on the knife's edge. Why? Because there was a big old drop back down to here. If we dropped down here, you know, a bear market would have been more and more likely, but guess what? We didn't. The only problem is we got held here for damn near 156 days. That's a long, 63 days. So that's 2 months. That's a long time to be down here on the knife's edge. Got people shook. But let me ask you a question. You thought that these whales didn't know that you guys would freak out being held down here? That's exactly why they held you down there. Come on now. They want your bags. They were shaking you down. It was nasty. Some of you guys were giving them the bag. We rose back up. People start having Stockholm syndrome and shit, saying, it's going to go back down. See, I told you, sell everything. Now we're going back up, and we still have people saying it's going down. How high does it have to go before people drop that freaking narrative? Especially, look, we've entered October. What have I been saying about October? That's typically the month crypto starts turning around into the exponential part of the cycle. Why? Because it happened in 2017. In October on the weekly, Bitcoin rose up about 100% in October in 2017. That was cool. I was there. Let's see. In 2013, Bitcoin rose up 75%. Then it really got crazy in November. Got stupid crazy in November. Bitcoin rose up 350%. In how many of these cycles, and there's only been 2 prior to this one, and answer me, I want to know. How many Octobers has Bitcoin gone down? Like, none of them. Not saying it's never, had a marginal dip. I'm talking about starting reversing down into the bear market. Absolutely zero of them. You guys need to hear anything else? But what about this in the Black Swan? Hey, I can make up all these farm-filled stories too. Goddamn, like, what you guys want? A storyteller or like chart analysis? I think some of you guys want stories, man. Like, that's the wrong spot. Hey, investing in stories, investing is patterns. Let's see. What do you guys think, though? Am I off base? I mean, I am just only a man. Am I off base? I don't think so. Reason is, guys, I thought exactly like some of you think. What if this time different? Guess what happened when I was thinking this time different? I got wrecked. I got wrecked in a half. Oh, it's no big deal. Only 3 years. It is a big deal. Hey, you know what, guys? Like, look, end of the day, you guys know exactly what I think. You know exactly where I stand. I've been standing on the same spot when I started this channel a year plus ago. I ain't never moved. Ever. Not once. Have you? Are you shifting around like the wind? This is exactly the wrong time to be doing it. Make a call and stand by it, guys. Execute your plan. My man, what's your thoughts on Zilliqa? I like Zil. It was an early runner in 2020. It ran longer than a lot of other altcoins. It kind of pattered off in 2021, but it's been down for a while. I think it might make a run again, just like I think Link might make a run again. All those other coins that like ran first in 2020, they took like a long part of 2021 off. But you know what part of the cycle we're approaching. Even SHIB gets freaking crazy. Doge gets like, look, like at a certain point, I hate to say dumb money, say the new money rushes in and they just start buying shit, moving shit. They keep doing it and doing it and doing it. It's easy. They love it. They're moving their money around. We're going to be millionaires. Boom. Bottom gets dropped out. And they're probably going to push their shit all up into all of our coins. You guys, like, you're thinking like with the old first impulse mindset, like which ones are going to be the overperformers. Hey, we're past that part now. The overperformers have performed. Now it's the time for boom, elevator time. It's elevator time. 22 people, what's up? H bars. What's H bar doing? Never Hashcraft. The coin that put me on the map. I think that convinced some people that I wasn't full of shit. That helps. 37 people, what's up? 37 people, 37 cents, what's up? I wish I had 37 people. I only got 22. Damn. Would I get more people if I danced? I'm asking for a friend. No, I'm not. A little cup of handle, a little whoop. Now it's going back down. Hey, man, it's only a matter of time for HBAR breaks out again. Sorry to say. But if you guys are following me way back when, way back in 2020, August and September and October and November of 2020, you're already sitting at a 10x on HBAR. We're going for more. Why stop there? Okay, it's got to be talked about with this year's crypto curve, the Evergrande Black Swan risk. Yeah, you know, last cycle everyone was calling for a stock crash. It's, you know what I'm saying, man? It's like always something. It's always something. It's always something. I said it before, I'll say it again. Show me the Black Swan indicator, and maybe I'll start believing. Where's the Black Swan indicator? Everyone's so convinced they could predict the Black Swan. Where's the indicator at? Oh, wait, there isn't one. Know what I'm saying? So what are they basing this off of? Yes, Evergrande's a risk. What's the timeline? No one's really offering me that. They just pick a month and they hope. And then it goes and they pick another month and they hope. Hey, let's not play that game. Because I could make a million guesses too, and then eventually I'll be right. My point in is this. Evergrande's a risk, but it could also be after this shit tops out. I could go get the bag, run, and then have a whole bunch more cash to invest in depressed assets when there's a contraction from Evergrande. Ever think of that? Look, don't be too scared to get that bag. I'm going to get that bag. And if that crash happens, well, damn, I'm sitting on a lot more money than I ever had before. Then I could become a real estate mogul. Opportunities, man. Opportunities. You can't be too scared that you're scared to grow. You can't be too scared to expand. If you're not expanding, you're dying. I just don't see why crypto, following the 4-year cycle, wouldn't continue and finish out the 4-year cycle. Let me jump back to the Bitcoin liquid index. This is something we got to talk about, guys. Got to talk about this. Well, Dubdigital, this is cool and all, but what happens if something happens and then it just throws this chart off? That's not how charting works. Charting is not like influenced by events. Charting is a predictor of events, right? There's a reason Bitcoin's been doing this overexpands, contract. The reason is right here, around here, halving occurs, cutting the supply. Demand stays the same or increases, price rises up. At the end around here, every 4 years, something cataclysmic happens. Is that China banning crypto? Right here it was. It's funny because China was going to ban crypto around here and it didn't go down, but right here it went down. You know, right here, wasn't it Silk Road? Yeah, I think it was Silk Road. This happened. There's always freaking something, but it typically happens right on that 4th year of the end of the crypto cycle. Well, Dubdigital, what are you saying? Are you saying some weird like conspiracy shit? I'm just saying, man. You ever consider that this was a managed influx of money from the old to the new system? You know, and now we're going to start getting a tin hattie, but it's like, you think this 4-year cycle is just by accident? Or is this a managed flow of money, transition of power, a quote unquote reset of ways? Now, see, now we're going to territory people don't like to venture, but it's always a possibility. Because what do we know? People with money, they like to hold on to that money, right? They might go above and beyond to secure that money. And one thing about keeping money, they like making money more. If they could come together and talk and plan and coordinate, they could coordinate pumps of certain asset classes, get rich as hell, sell at the top, let it contract, buy back in, do it over and over again. I'm just thinking crypto is the new thing that they're using. Real estate was before. Stocks were before. You know what I'm saying? Like at the end of the day, it's like, I don't know exactly what's going on. But all I know is every single freaking 4 years, Bitcoin goes high as hell. I don't know why. I could just show you that it has. I don't have to know how the internet works to use it every day. I just know a bag's here to be had. Evergrande's always a risk. I'm just not going to let it stop me. Because let's be real, guys. This system has stood up and stayed alive longer than anyone thought it would ever could. What's another 3 months? 21 people, what's up? From TA, there should be some selling pressure here somehow. If bulls manage to protect this area, we should pump again. Yeah, that's why we're going to look at some news today, too. I'll look at some news. So you guys can be the judge. See what's going on. Percolating. Might be a weird word to use. I don't know. Bro, anyone knows that uses Coinbase, they don't have customer support. They're non-existent. Yeah. That's the thing. I think so I applied for like a business Coinbase account. It took them 5 months. 5 months to get me in there. I thought they damn near just ignored me. That's true. I think Gemini is better, you know. But shit, I just got everything hooked up on Coinbase. You know how it is. Dub, securing on Cold Wallet is great, but what if you need to sell coins in 1 second during a peak? Cold wallets take time to move stuff around. Learn to use a DEX, my friend. Padawan. Learn the ways of the DEX, decentralized exchanges. 2017, go ask anyone who's around. We couldn't get into Coinbase when we needed to. Shit was timing out. Binance was like not accepting people. Everything was crazy. Okay, we couldn't get in. There was no way to get around that back then. Now there is. Decentralized exchange. Ain't no excuses, especially if you follow a channel like this. There's all the tutorials in the world how to learn how to use SushiSwap, how to learn how to use Uniswap, how to use WANSwap, not too many, but WANSwap, Gravity Dex, not Emeris. Well, Gravity Dex, Osmosis. We got it. We got cross-chain dexes now. Pancake Swap. You want more? You can cash out your cryptos on a DEX that supports it into an acceptable stablecoin that the exchange accepts. That way, you secure your stable fiat value of your overpriced crypto. And when Coinbase and Gemini and all them come back online, you take it, deposit it, cash it. Bang. Done. I ain't gonna stop doing that shit. 21 people, what's up? Woo! Any advice how to grow channel? I can't get over 110 subs. Yeah, man. Just make a lot more videos, dude. A lot more videos. You gotta study what people like. Like everyone goes, oh, you yell too much in your videos. Like I kind of like taking a break from that shit because I was yelling a lot. Got me tired as shit. But that's what attracted people. That's how I got my initial hook. You got to find like, don't try to fit in too. Like that's one thing. If you're going to start a channel or anything online, like there's a million of people who are just trying to like fit the part, play the part. But that's boring. Like you can only be the second best at that because there's always going to be a first and it's not going to be you. So you got to do it a little differently. Just freaking be yourself, to be honest. I don't know why people like listening to me. It's probably because I say weird shit. Be yourself, like in that way, like retaining the loyal followers and subs is easy because they like you, and you can be you all day. Sustainable growth is where it's at, man. Especially if you don't want to sell out on YouTube. There's a lot of sellouts on YouTube. Honestly, I feel the more you respond and put yourself out there on social media platforms, the more you become a target. Learn basic security on computers, cell phones, etc., and just observe. Exactly. Especially if you guys are going in chats telling people how much crypto you got. Don't be doing it. They're out here. They are out here. I knew someone who got neutered recently, and it makes me sad. And I don't want no one to be doing that, especially if you're following me. Okay, 19 people. We're going to jump into another thing. 54 minutes in, damn. Okay. Bitcoin dominance, here we go. All the money wrapped up in Bitcoin. Well, no. Okay, what am I saying? Bitcoin dominance is a measurement of money in Bitcoin in relation to all coins, vice versa. We hit this 39%. It's been a sticking point for the longest time. I said we might start rising back up when Bitcoin starts turning around. That's what happened. Bitcoin's up. Bitcoin dominance is up 13, 14%. How high will it go? 46, maybe 50%, maybe 50%, right? Especially if it breaks out of its all-time high. But once Bitcoin breaks out of its all-time high, you think alts are going to be following because that's a clear indication that, yeah, you guys thought where 65 was the top, it ain't the top. And then people are going to turn around and be like, oh, shit. And everyone who was on the sideline, hesitant, dropped their bags, they're going to be running back in here. because they want a piece of the Bitcoin pie. It's too sweet. Can't help it. They taste that cherry pie. They say, I like that. I want some more. They're going to get some more. That's right. But you know what happens? It's going to start getting shaky. Just like it got shaky here in November, December. But December 2017, that shit gave way. That's what I expect's going to happen too. And that's when we're going to get rich as hell. Shit's going to drop down here between 30 to 20%. Some people, even DIY investing, call them for like 17, 12. I ain't going to say all that. All I know is it's going to go down low. Most of the money in Bitcoin is going to flow in altcoins. I'm going to get rich as hell. I'm going to be freaking dancing on them. That's what I got to say about it. 19 people, what's up? What's your thoughts on the risk of quantum computing as China claims to have discovered for crypto security? I don't really know, because I don't really know a whole bunch of quantum computing. I know it's based off like quantum like physics and shit. You know, I'm not a quantum like computer scientist, but honestly, there's always problems, right? And then there's always solutions. I'm not too concerned about it. I'm not too concerned about that. I'm just not. Yeah, they're claiming it, but haven't you noticed China claims a lot of shit, man? China be lying too. They be lying about their gold reserves. They be lying about a whole bunch of shit. So like, okay, I mean, I can't live my life in fear about China. China's been trying to screw up in my life in crypto for the longest freaking time. I'm gonna deal with it when it gets to it. But the real thing is this, man. Like I'm telling you guys, like I'm not like a lover of crypto like that. I'm a lover of purchasing power. I like things that make my purchasing power go up. Okay, right now that's crypto. But after this, and you get some more money, you should be diversifying, right? You should be spreading that money around because there is a risk technically for crypto. Everyone says blockchain is the perfect thing, blah, blah, blah. Right now it is. You diversify, so if that does come, you aren't wrecked for life. Capiche? You're not a crypto enthusiast, you're an investor, right? Unless your loyalty lies with crypto more than it does your money, that's between you and, well, your money. It's pissing me off to see something like Shiba Coin pumping and nothing is happening to Gitcoin. Happens, man. Happens. There's always a meme coin, man. I mean, Doge is it. Early cycle, SHIB is it. This cycle, there was meme coins in 2013. There's meme coins in 2017. It's just always there's it's the internet, man. Like the internet's dumb as hell. You know that. So wouldn't it be like consistent of the people on the internet to invest in a dumb as hell coin? Yeah, it does. It's just hard to pick the coin, right? Like it's high risk. Lane Brown, crypto general warning, art punks are addictive. Woo! Art punks are addictive, aren't they? Damn. Oh yeah. Hey, I'm not gonna show my stuff today. It's too late. But art punks. You guys don't know. I've been talking about art punks like art punks pay me money, but they're really not. I just like it, man. Like it's three things mixed together. It's just so sick. And everyone who's bought an art punk is like, oh, these are dope. Check it out. This is the marketplaces. Go ahead and check out their what's their price floor right now? What does it say? Not sure. But I minted. I got like some of these on mint. Oh, I guess floor price is right under a soul, like right there. That's okay. It was like 0.85 before. It's slowly rising up. Average sale price is 1.76. So essentially from mint price, it's gone up, well, 76%. That's cool. I'll show you something though, guys. So basically, it's like famous fine art mixed with crypto punks, mixed with AI, merging the two. So you can look at it from a crypto punk valuation standpoint, or if you look from a fine art valuation standpoint. That's something I think is really interesting. I got like some from Sandra Barcelli. It's like a painter from the 1400s. And each art collection has a price floor as well. Looks like the cheapest one for this one is about 50, 60 Sol. That's a freaking 50x. Let's go check out another one. It's really quick. I just thought this was pretty interesting. What's one you guys like? Picasso. Let's see Picasso, 28. 15, 14 Sol, 7 Sol, 9 Sol. That's a 9x. That's a 7x. That's a 25x. That's 5,000. Damn, that's a lot. Just FYI, guys. Oh, my internet's sucking. Hasn't done that in a while. Pray for me, guys. It's a cool idea. It's a cool idea. What are the Foxy's doing? That's the other project that I had brought to people's attention. Damn. Connection's unstable. I don't know what to do. I got the Ethernet in. I thought this new Ethernet was better. Okay, I'll pray. Please, God, fix my microphone, please. Microphone, fix my camera. Fix my internet, not my camera. Sorry, guys. It's the life I live, man. This is live. I filmed this live. I ain't got no Bitcoin team out here, man. But it would be cool if it got fixed. Okay, I'm just gonna run it. It's being too long. I'm gonna run it with the bad quality. My bad. Hopefully you can hear me. So Foxy's, it was almost to 0.1 ETH. Mint price was 0.05 ETH. Right now it's sitting at 0.07 ETH, right? So that's about what, 40% increase from mint price? Pretty good. Pretty good. I know Dad Master, he got all up in these. Caught all up in them. He's a foxy whale in the most non-weird way. So what's up, my guy? Nothing much, man. Dent peaked. Check Dent. John Smith, what's up, man? Still under a penny and peaked at 10 cents last cycle. Yeah, I've been seeing Dent. I haven't pulled the trigger on it though. Just haven't heard any buzz, and I didn't see big volume on it. Hey, yeah, I have too many coins that look like this and haven't performed, So I'm not trying to add another one. I'm gonna wait for those other ones to perform. You know what I'm saying? But I hear what you're saying. Dent, it's been around for a long time. Saw some value early on in May and stuff, so it's obviously shown that it can pump. It should pump. It's just that, I'm sitting on Icon, I'm sitting on WAN, I'm sitting on a whole mess of them where it's just kind of like showing the same shit. So, but here's the thing. What am I talking about? Here's the thing, guys. Yeah, I've been dipping my toe on NFTs and stuff, but as far as like crypto is concerned, I'm really not that interested in reinvesting right now. I'm really not. My bags are heavy as hell. I'm ready. Like, if it's gonna go down, I'm ready to go down. I'm ready to throw down right now. My main problem last cycle is I kept reinvesting all the way to the top, then I got burned. My change in my plan to prevent that and mitigate that is, well, at a point, call it and say, I'm done reinvesting. There's one coin I am actually willing to get heavier bags in, and that's XPRT, persistence. Yeah. Why? Because I hear it's going to be hot. I hear it's going to be hot. I'll take the word. It came from a good source. Actually doing digging into the team, and it's a good project. They're just pretty young. And my internet's sucking, which sucks. More likes, please. Please give me more likes. I'd like it. Art Punk. That's Art Punk right there too. Dang. Which artist? Shit. Internet, don't do it, man. Thoughts on Bittrex exchange? I like Bittrex. I have a Bittrex account based in United States. Pretty old exchange. Yeah, you can secure that with the YubiKey as well, just so you know. I think it's like Bittrex, Coinbase, Gemini, Kraken, like all the main ones. But Bittrex is legit. Let's see it. XPRT is looking great. Hey. From your lip to my ears. Let's see. Sorry for the quality, guys. It is what I got to deal with. 27 people. What's up? XPRT, loving it. Total supply, 116 million. Well, damn, on that day, look at that double bottom occurring. So that shit should turn around at some point. Yeah, I think it's making double bottoming out. XPRT, guys. This thing is gonna be like Luna, to be honest. It's gonna be like Luna, where they're gonna be doing a whole bunch of airdrops. All you gotta do is be staking it, owning it. You'll be getting airdrops. They got something called Comdex, where they do NFTs that are backed by physical commodities that helps with settlement between institutional trading. And it's been in test for about a year now. Last time I checked, and that was a long time ago, they had at least $100 million worth of trades in commodities from institutional clients testing it out. That's tight. Commodity trading's huge. Ever heard of rice? Ever heard of beans? All that shit, that's commodity trading. Yeah. They could make the friction less by using NFTs. That's what they're doing. That's tight. Then they got something called Asset Mantle, which is going to be coming down the pike, but that's going to be a cross-blockchain NFT marketplace and stuff. Then they got something called P-Stake that just launched, which is liquid staking. So check this out. You get Atom or you get XPRT, and you put it into the persistence protocol, the protocol built out of persistence called P-Stake. Okay? P-Stake basically is liquid staking. So you give your Atom, your XPRT to P-Stake, then you get the yields, like for staking, like 7% for Atom, 30% for XPRT. Then you get a synthetic coin called a P token, or let's say you provided XPRT, you get P XPRT, and then you can take that and then burn it, and you get another token called STK XPRT, and then it's an Ethereum token. So I know it's complicated. It is complicated stuff, but hear me out. You get the yields for staking, securing the chain, and then you can get another coin that you put into an Ethereum DeFi protocol like SushiSwap. You can do this with SushiSwap with Atom right now and get even more yield. And on top of that, you're getting airdropped. Do you see why I like this coin? Do you see why this is something I would buy in the bear market? Because it's giving me returns on airdrops. It's giving me huge returns on staking. Then I can even increase that staking amount by taking the synthetic coin and going to Ethereum and getting more yield. It's yield on yield on yield on airdrops. Boom. And on top of that, there's only how much in this thing? $300, $400 million? Can you say another Luna? I don't know. And one of the dudes who likes this coin told me about Matic. You probably know who it is. What up, Cousin Dub? Getting weird out here. Glad you're here with us. Haha. It's always weird, man. It's always weird. We're going to get to the top together. We're going to get to the top. Then we're going to have a party. We're going to have a live stream party. I'm going to have it right here. Right here. We're going to drink. We're going to smoke. We're going to talk about the good old days where we were tripping. We're going to talk about cars we got, houses we got, all that shit, man. My internet's not getting better. This is really pissing me off. Whenever I don't know what to do, I just hit my computer. See, that's the problem. I grew up with Nintendo 64. You guys know what I'm talking about? Nintendo 64. That's why I love Nintendo. You could just hit that shit and throw the controls like, hit the wall. It's fine. You hear a little rattle in there, but it's cool. It still works. You get the game console thing, like the cartridges, slamming in there. I miss the Nintendo game. Damn, I missed the Nintendo days, man. 28 people, and my quality's still shitty. Jesus, I need you to fix this quality, please. Don't do me like this, please. Shib will hit crazy numbers even though it's so cheap. The money will line up on Coinbase to buy with high fees. LOL. Whatever, man. At the same time, it's like, hey, whatever. I don't care. We all can make money. I don't care. I ain't no bear. I ain't no bull. I'm a wolf. Hey, I like that. I like what you think. What's Zookeeper doing? Haha, check Zookeeper YouTube channel. The boy is there talking about Zoo. Oh, so that's why the price is going up. That's tight. I'm not quite sure what's happening to Zookeeper, but I know tomorrow they're going to make an announcement. And the team has told me it's going to be big. They didn't tell me what, though. I thought we was friends. Nem is a good OG coin. HODL. Old is gold. A nice 10x from all-time high. Check out the chart. Yeah, Nem has been around. Didn't the founder of Lanchain come from Nem? I think he did. Jack. Old Jack. Good old Jack. I mean, yeah. This thing pumped with a quickness. Guys, look, like, here's the thing. These things can get back there again, but, well, they've underperformed so hard. It's like, yeah, but look what happened when everything was at all-time highs. Look how high it rose. If you think Bitcoin's going to get to all-time highs again, higher than 65,000, don't you think that these impulses will be higher too? Yeah. I'm just not like, trying to pick another coin right now. I'm spread out. I've been spreading out for the last 2 years, man. It is what it is. I said I wasn't going to reinvest all the way to the end like I did last time. I'd be a fool. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. At some point, I got to learn, right? 20 people, what's up? Love your attitude, bro. Thank you for the clear insights, brother. You keep me real in crypto, bro. Hey, good. I just want you guys to, benefit from this. I don't want you guys to get hurt. Hey, I got hurt. That's enough forever. That's enough. One's enough, okay? I can pass it forward. You guys don't got to go through it. That's, and at some point, it'll come back to me. That's a law of reciprocity. Yo. Just got home. What up, gang? Dad Master, that's the Foxy Wolf, man. The Foxy Whale. He got, a whole bunch of them. Lord, we pray for Dub's internet connection. I think it came back. I think it worked. I like it. Yo, what's up, Dub? Dubba. Suppa Dubba. The struggle is EOS is real. Imagine EOS is the first crypto which loses in a 4-year cycle. And that's about the time I expect EOS to break off, pop off, is when EOS supporters be talking like that. But yeah, look, November, December probably is when EOS is going to start doing its thing. That's what the ETH pair suggested for EOS, at least in my mind. Damn. I should make a freaking website. I have an idea for a website. I'm going to make a website in the bear market. I'm making a website and shit. Lawrence, what's good, man? Dubmaster, Dubdigital, what's up? Ain't nothing much, man. What NFTs are you looking at? I know you've been looking at those NFTs. I sent out the Foxy signal. They should be coming. Come, Foxies. Come to the Fox Den. My internet, man. Dub, what's good? What do you think about FTM? I freaking don't think about FTM because I was in it, then I was out of it. I got into 2020, then I got out of it in 2020. I got into Doge 2020. I got out of Doge 2020. God damn it. Phantom's been killing it. I don't know what to say. Shit. Hey, you win some, you lose some. I mean, it don't matter what I think about it, dude. Look at the freaking chart. It speaks for itself. It's going up. It's running up. Barely freaking came down. It started running up in August when nothing was running up in August. But you know what, guys? I noticed this little freaking pattern. It's like a bowl pattern. Comes down and dips like that. I've seen this in Atom. I saw this in Digibyte 2017. I've seen this in Ego. That's a pattern. That's something. I'm going to be looking for that all throughout this end of this like market. Yep, that's all I got to say about it. It's obviously doing well, man. It's obviously doing well. It don't need me to talk good shit about it. Like, look at the price. Something's there. Where can we get persistence? You can get it on Kucoin, centralized exchange. You could also get it in a decentralized exchange on Osmosis, which is like the Cosmos ecosystem DEX, one of them. That's why I first got it, but then I just been buying it from Kucoin because it's easier like that. I think you could also get on HitBTC. Just pull up CoinMarketCap and type in your favorite coin. Go to the market tab. It'll tell you all the listings where you can get it. I like XPRT. I'd like for it to get like a heavier bag like for this cycle. That's the only coin I'm really looking to fortify. But I'm even more interested when it gets crushed 95%. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I can get 95%, more XPRT, more airdrops, more staking rewards. Stakings are at like 30, 40% right now. They drop it off to 17 in the next year, but then they're going to start making up for it by airdropping coins that build in their ecosystem. I like thinking forward, guys. I like that. I like that free money. You make money and the coin don't even got to go up. That's what I like. 23 people, what's up? Rarity Sniper came out for Foxies. I have number 31, 215, 283. Damn, you have 31 Rarity? Is it this one? That one looks really sexy, man. Gold? Laser eyes? It's like the X-Men mixed with Peter Schiff. What the hell? Yeah, expertise you can get on this or Osmosis or KuCoin. That's probably the easiest one to get if you're a U.S. citizen. Check out the Foxies. Hey, man. I'm OG Foxy. Foxy NFTs. Fox. I'm like the Foxy dude now. Let's see it. Good looks, KuCoin. Okay, I caught up with everything. Let's go ahead and look at this last one. Then we're going to jump into some news. Actually, you know what? Screw it. Okay, total 2 index, altcoin market cap. It's heading up. That's basically what it. We're not going to go through it. I think these stories are better. Because I'm crypto news too. Dated 4 hours ago, AMC Theater's acceptance of Dogecoin follows viral community appeal. Over the past week, social meme coin Doge has risen 25% above the previous psychological price threshold of 25 cents. No, it's at 25 cents again. Following an overwhelmingly positive Twitter post or whatever Twitter poll on September 21st, AMC Theater Adam Aaron announced Wednesday that the chain would officially accept Dogecoin payments for digital gift cards via BitPay wallet. Wow. I sincerely want to hear your opinion via Twitter poll. By end of 2021, AMC will take Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash for online payments. I hear from many on my Twitter feed we should accept Dogecoin too. Do you think AMC should explore accepting Dogecoin? Yes, for sure. Do it. 68%. Woo! You guys think the bear market's coming still? Because the Doge homies are out here still. AMC is accepting it. AMC stock is going wild. They're accepting crypto. Gotta make their stock go even wild. AMC is just running with this momentum on their stock. Just doing anything they can to push that shit up. Guess what will push AMC stock price up? Doge euphoria. Why? Because the people buying AMC on Robinhood are buying Doge. Oh, they know what they're doing. Oh, my internet sucks again. God damn it. Sorry, guys. Got to deal with it. Let's check it out. Dated 6 hours ago, U.S. Justice Department announces launch of a national crypto enforcement team. We need to make sure that folks can have confidence when they're using these systems, and we need to make sure that we're poised to root out abuse that can take hold of them. Oh, thank you, Lisa. You ain't never care. You ain't never care when ever. But now all of a sudden making money, you care? Hater. Look at that. Coin snatched up in a laser net by a golden eagle soaring. An official from the Office of Attorney General has said the United States government is going to take a more active role in enforcement action against actors using cryptocurrencies for money laundering and other cyber crimes. Can they drop that shit? Please. It's been like 4 years. Money laundering. Okay, well, people use dollars to money launder too. Whatever. Speaking at the Aspen Institute Cyber Summit on Wednesday, Deputy Attorney General Lisa said the Justice Department has launched a national cryptocurrency enforcement team, an initiative aimed at going after platforms that help criminals launder or hinder their criminal proceeds or hide. I bet. Okay, we want to strengthen our capacity to dismantle the financial ecosystem that enables these these criminals actors to flourish and, quite frankly, to profit from what they're doing. We're going to do that by drawing out our cyber experts and cyber prosecutors and money laundering experts. Blah, 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 whatever, I don't care. Cool, Lisa, cool beans. 2017 wants their phrases back. Let's see. Internet's getting better. It's getting stronger. Dated 7 hours ago, Bank of America identifies 20 high-profile U.S. companies with crypto exposure. These companies with crypto and digital assets exposure have stocks rated as buy or neutral by Bank of America. Walt Disney, Fox Corporation, and JP Morgan are among the list of 20 publicly traded United States companies with some level of exposure to crypto and digital assets based on data by Bank of America or B of A. JP Morgan has exposure to crypto? Didn't Jamie Dimon, big wig over there, JP Morgan, say he was going to fire any trader 3 years ago who touched crypto? Called his daughter an idiot for owning crypto? Oh, yes, he did. Watch what they do, not what they say, guys. How many times I got to tell you? These dudes are weasels, man. You can't trust them as far as you could throw them, so why are you listening to them? Just watch what they're doing. 21 people, what's up? In all, the 20 firms identified by B of A have their stocks rated as either buy or neutral by America's second largest bank by assets under management. Did they tell me who they are? What's the point of this? They don't tell me what they are. Okay, cool. We know a couple of them. Good enough. Just goes to show you guys, man. Like, not everyone's bearish. In fact, a lot of big companies aren't that bearish on it. They know what this is. This is a money grab. Everyone's going to grab their money. Are you? 18 hours ago, Mr. Wonderful, which is that dude from the Shark Tank, the bald guy. Mr. Wonderful's crypto allocation is now larger than his gold holdings, and he was a big-ass fan of gold, saying crypto's a scam, this and that, da, da, da. Very Peter Schiff-like. Starting to turn a little bit? Huh? Mr. Wonderful? Starting to come around a little bit? Took you a while. Welcome. Shark Tank, Kevin O'Leary, stated that crypto for the first time is more than gold for me. Wow. He doesn't see a situation where crypto goes away as a result of regulations. Another person who was doubtful, another person who doubted, another person who was skeptical on crypto is now coming around to crypto, just like Peter Schiff, big, longtime hater of Bitcoin, now coming around to crypto. They eventually come around. Hey, guys, I think we beat the smart money. Are we the smart money now? Entrepreneur and Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary, also known as Mr. Wonderful, has revealed his holds more than crypto, whatever. I have 5% in gold. Crypto for the first time is more than gold for me, and I'm going to keep my gold. I see no reason to sell it. The best way to look at it, if you're an investor, either way, you believe in decentralized finance and centralized finance, and you believe in Bitcoin, Ethereum, the blockchain, or you don't. If you don't, stay in gold as a hedge. And if you do, tiptoe into it. I'm doing more than tiptoeing, dude. Like I'm doing a lot more than tiptoeing. Let's check this one out. October 5th, U.S. lawmakers propose safe harbor for digital tokens in a new bill. I don't even have to read that shit. I hate to say I told you so. So much FUD, so much uncertainties, huh? I'm so scared. They're gonna ban crypto. No, they're not. They're fucking with you. They're fucking with you. The Clarity of Digital Token Act of 2021 bill seemingly builds on initiative from SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce, who has called for creating a safe harbor for projects that raise funds to build decentralized networks. See that? They're starting to build regulatory infrastructure to help incubate new projects that have to start off centralized, then move and decentralized. Check it out. North Carolina House Representative Patrick McHenry has proposed a bill that would amend one of the laws governing the United States Securities and Exchange Commission to provide a safe harbor for certain token projects. In the draft of Clarity Digital Tokens Act of 2021, provided by the House Committee of Financial Services, McHenry suggested amending the Securities Act of 1933. Big problem that needs to be fixed. They're starting to get around to it. To establish a safe harbor for token development teams. He proposed letting projects offer tokens without registering for up to 3 years, during which time teams would be given the opportunity to create a fully decentralized network. That's been the big problem. That's why XRP is getting sued right now. They're saying, hey, you're a security, you're somewhat centralized, you're profiting, blah, blah, blah. This gives them 3 years to get off the ground running in terms of like developing, getting the system to a point where they can step away and it runs on its own. We've seen that happen multiple times where systems got decentralized. One of them being Cardano. It was centralized up to a point. You know? What else do they got? If adopted, the proposed safe harbor could be the most groundbreaking development for the U.S. cryptocurrency market to date. Yep. By putting development first and giving projects runway to build robust networks, the proposed safe harbor puts an important stake in the ground towards supporting American access and acceptance of digital asset markets. We need to nurture innovation and technology in this country, not send it overseas, said McHenry. This bill helps bring legal certainty to digital asset projects that we badly need regulatory clarity to launch. Ha, ha, ha. It's funny what 1 month could do in crypto now, isn't it? This is interesting. Era Bank has chosen Trezor to facilitate institutional custody services. Woo! Damn. It looks like all that research is paying off, huh? October 5th, 2021. The Switzerland firm is an independent sister company of Era Bank. Era Bank Switzerland announces Tuesday that it will integrate staking, trading, and custody services onto the Trezor blockchain's native token XTZ in a bid to provide a digital asset environment for institutions, corporations, and high net worth individuals. The 50-year-old partnered with Trezor in hopes of benefiting from the ecosystem's inherent focus on energy conservation, low gas fees, and fast upgrades, aka the New Green Deal. Trezor is hanging his hat on that. Clean, green. That's what the lawmakers want. I'm not surprised it's catching the eyes of, lawmakers all around the world. Digital assets are a cornerstone of our strategy, requiring strong agility while complying with the highest security standards. Our mission is to bridge traditional and cutting-edge innovation. Trezor, with scalability, high-quality governance, and staking possibilities, fits perfectly within our vision. That's crazy. Swiss banking institutions have become prominent spearheads for global crypto community adoption of digital assets over the past few years, benefiting from the country's lenient policy on regulation. See how that goes, guys? Wherever people are easier on crypto, it's where the money flows because crypto is the money now. I like it. What else is right here? Oh, there's a lot. Guys, there is so much news right now showing you what's about to happen. It's stupid. I'll keep going. 20 people, what's up? El Salvador introduces fuel subsidy of 20 cents per gallon to locals who pay in Bitcoin. Dated October 4th. Look, this subsidy of 20 cents, it's basically a discount to get paid in Bitcoin. Because what does the government really want to get paid in? Do they really want to get paid in a fiat currency that gets devalued? That's what they want to pay you with. They want you to pay them with Bitcoin because it appreciates over time. El Salvador gets it. This is big. It's showing you their hand. It's showing you that governments, sovereign institutions, they are willing to accept a digital currency over their own goddamn currency. Whoa there. I don't think it's going to stop here either. 20 people, what's up? El Salvador is looking to bolster adoption of its government-issued Chivo Bitcoin wallet by offering discounts on petrol purchase of 20 cents per gallon to consumers who pay using BTC. Bitcoin out there. Black gold, what? Nah, we're talking about that orange gold. Salvadorian president, I can't say it, sorry, has announced that local consumers can enjoy it. Okay, yeah. The state company Chivo negotiated with the largest gas station companies in our country so that starting tomorrow, their stations will sell each gallon of fuel 20 cents cheaper with Chivo wallet. Those 20 cents will come from those 20 cents will come from all of us, right? The gas station does not lose. There goes the refund after paid with taxes of even those who walk on foot. Huh. Oh, they're talking about, okay, well, the subsidy really comes from taxpayers. Okay. I get it. I see what they're saying there. Touche. Okay. 22 people, what's up? Anything else? What I got? Oh, yeah. You guys want some more? October 3rd. Okay, we'll keep going. You want some more? You're not convinced that the 4-year cycle, it's on the precipice of doing something crazy? Let's keep reading. Maybe you need some more fundamentals. Let's keep reading. IMF recommends CBDCs and global crypto standard for financial stability. Dubdigital, what's the IMF? You know the Fed, that's a central bank, and every country almost has a central bank, almost every country. The IMF is the central bank to the central banks. International Monetary Fund. Based in where? I think it's Basel, Switzerland. Ever heard of Basel? It's like the financial hub of the world, financial epicenter of the world. The new policies recommended by the IMF aim to curb down financial risks associated with global crypto adoption. The International Monetary Fund released a set of policies for emerging markets and developing economies to ensure financial stability among global crypto adoption. The IMF believes the potential of crypto assets as a tool for faster and cheaper cross-border payments, citing the dramatic increase in value of crypto markets despite the bearish trend from May 2021. The report attributes high returns, transactional costs, and speed and reduced anti-money laundering AML standards as the primary drivers for crypto adoption. To counter the result financial stability challenges as a result of increased... Okay, what the fuck? Policymakers should implement global standards for crypto assets and enhance their ability to monitor the crypto ecosystem by addressing data gaps. Emerging markets faced with cryptotization. That's a word? Risk should strengthen macroeconomic policies and consider the benefit of issuing central bank digital currencies. Here we go. But Dubdigital, they're kind of talking shit about crypto. No, they're not. They're saying we can't beat it, but we got to join it. Look, I'm telling you this. I don't know if cryptos are really what concern central banks. I think it's the stable coins because they want that stable coin. They want to come out with USD coin. They want to come out with peso coin. They want all that. They want to control daily transactions. They want to track your transactions. They want to automatically tax you. That's what they want to do. Ain't no one paying everything with Bitcoin. They hodl Bitcoin. I don't think they care about that as much as a USDC or a DAI or any of that. They want the CBDCs. China's got one. Estonia's got one. US is working on one. Everyone's working on one. Hedera's working with Australia for theirs. Everyone and their mom is developing a CBDC. They're calling for regulation. But guess what, guys? You don't regulate something you're going to ban. You regulate something you're going to allow live. Next one. Biden administration weighing bank-like regulations for stablecoin issuers. Boom! There we go. My thesis proved in the next freaking article. United States government appears keen to tame the rapidly growing stablecoin market, according to reports. CoinMarketCap's always using this coin, but what the fuck is that coin? The Biden administration is reportedly considering a new legal framework for stablecoin issuers that will put them in the same category as banks, raising questions about the future of crypto regulation in the country. Citing people familiar with the matter, the Wall Street Journal reported Friday that the administration is looking to convince Congress to create a new special purpose charter for stablecoin issuers and other companies that fall within the same category. Although not entirely clear how the legislation will look, it's expected to be tailored specifically to these types of business models. You got to read this, guys. This is really important. I know it's a little boring, but sometimes you got to put in a little legwork. You got to understand what's happening. This is a big deal. Policymakers have been sounding the alarm over stablecoins in recent months because they believe these dollar peg assets aren't properly regulated. Earlier this week, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell told the Financial Service Committee that stablecoins like USDT, USDC should be regulated within the same parameters as money market funds like bank deposits. Nevertheless, he remained steadfast in stating that no blanket ban on Bitcoin or other digital currency assets was in the cards. Exactly. Because what? It's not a direct threat to what they want to do. They want that everyday transaction coin. They want that CBDC. They targeting those stable coins. That's why I say, don't be sitting all up 100% in a stable coin thinking you're safe. I think that's the first thing to fall because they're not decentralized except for DAI. As Coin told, Taming Wildcat Stablecoins. 49-page paper called Taming Wildcat Stablecoins. They hate stablecoins. In that paper, the authors argue that policymakers have only two choices with respect to stablecoin regulation: make them equivalent to public money or tax them out of existence via central bank digital currencies. Ta-da! Damn. That's it. IMF says, hey, we don't like the stable coins. And then Mr. Biden turns around and says, we don't like the stable coins. Good job, like a good little boy. All the presidents all over the world are just good little boys. Doing exactly what they're supposed to do. Getting their little raise, whatever they get. If you really think that there ain't a higher power pulling strings in this world, you might just want to do a little more reading on CoinMarketCap and look into the IMF. They set monetary policy. None of these central banks are working as a silo. They're all working in tandem. That's why they print all together. That's why they taper all together. They do everything together. And the head of it all is the IMF. IMF saying, we don't like these stable coins. Heads up. Heads up. That's where the battle lines are probably going to be drawn. Know what I'm saying? I don't know if you're into Luna. Have you looked in Apollo DAO and Poly protocols on Luna? I haven't. I'd have to look into it. Poly protocols? I'll check it out on my own, though. We're already an hour 40 in. I still got 24 people. I must have been doing something right. Apologize for the internet. I got the internet cable. That's all I can do, man. I ain't no computer genius like that. But it's been fun, guys. Hey, this is Crypto Kickback. I do this every Wednesday, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I do another live stream on Sundays, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We just let it hang loose. Look at some macro charts, look at some altcoins. And today we looked in the news. I wanted to show you the news because if you have some doubts that Bitcoin isn't on the precipice of doing some big things, just know it's all the buzz. We looked at a whole bunch of stories today that you can go back and re-listen to when you have uncertainties. Governments are talking about it. All these people are talking about it, man. So how can Bitcoin get 200,000? I never thought one president would talk about Bitcoin, let alone a country adopt it as currency. Like, I never thought they would use a volcano to mine Bitcoin. I never thought the IMF would even talk about stable coins. I remember stable coins were new. This is crazy shit. It don't feel crazy if you're new to this. But if you're not new to this, you can see that Bitcoin, year after year after year, keeps getting on everyone's tongue. But until next time, guys, Dubdigital. Talk to you later. Peace.